Hey everyone, in this video, wanted to talk a little bit about our Insight reporting suite in FlowPath. So we'll start over here in our left-hand navigation bar and go to the report section. And then we're going to be taken to this default view here. We currently offer 7 different modules that you can report on. So as an example, you can report on your work orders, preventative maintenance work orders, inventory, equipment, vendors, finances, and so on. This view here is customizable as well. So if I want to move some of these things to different areas, this will all save and be generated the next time you log in as your user so that you keep one centralized view. You can also use this menu over here to remove any of these that you're not very interested in. So if I wanted to get rid of the financials and the labor hours, you can also customize that. To drill down deeper into a report, you can click the View Report button, which is going to give you a list of filters here that you can use to really dive into the data that you're interested in. So for example, if I want to see a specific location and I only want to see work orders that are completed in the last rolling 7 days, we can drill down into that. Another very useful tool, you can export this report into a CSV format. Or if using this icon up here, you can actually save this report, which will save it to automatically generate reports that will be emailed to you, and you can come back into FlowPath and download those at a later date. So going back to our example, if you wanted to save a report every 7 days, you wanted to be emailed a report for completed work orders at a specific location, we can click Save here, say that I want this weekly, choose your start date, and give it a name. You'll see it says the report has been saved. So now if I go back to our main reporting page and scroll down to our generated reports, you'll see I have one weekly completed report here. If I open that up, it has the details. You can click View. And this will take us back into those parameters that we filled out. So I hope you find this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email or in the chat in the platform, and we'll be happy to help.